everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks if you haven't done so already. Hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I'll get you subscribed to our channel. I'll let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got the Star Wars Bounty Hunters Hobby Box closing out our Bounty Hunter weekend. This is the last box we got. It's going to be the best box. So looking forward to busting this bad boy open and see what we get. Before I get to that, you know what you got to do. Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for that monthly giveaway, which is a 10 filled of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 is going to be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, pillow cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printed cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every single break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today, I'm throwing in a number to 25 Garrett Gold on-card autograph, and I'm throwing in Sugi autograph from our Star Wars Bounty Hunters breaks. So these 2 autographs are going into a flawless briefcase. You want a shot at these and all the other autographs that are in here, just leave a comment below. All right, let's get the show on the road. Our last hobby box for Bounty Hunter weekend. Maybe we get the best for last here. That's what we saved this for today. So let's see what we get. Our last Bounty Hunter box. Something good. I think we almost got a base set, I believe. Might be a 2 Feared Mercenary cards we're looking for. Alrighty. Don't see anything too big. Let's see what we get. Pack number 1 here. Han Solo. Good start. Got ourselves a Cad Bane. Zam Wessel. Got a green Cato Parasiti. That is number to 150. Number to 150. Kira. There's Cartoon Dengar, Feared Mercenaries, and I think we got that one in regular parallel. So first pack's a numbered card. It's a good start. Good start. Pack number 2. Aurora Singh, Cartoon Aurora Singh, L337. There's our Sarlacc, Blue Tasuvich. There's Zuckuss, the Mandalorian, Moff Gideon, and Grogu. Got a temperature, Dad. Got Mithril, C21 High Singer. Han Solo from the last trilogy, Lando Calrissian Blue Parallel, Old School Bib Fortuna. There's Ventress. Bo-Katan. There's Boba, young Boba. And we got an Embo, Sarapass, the Mandalorian, Blue Val, Zen on Solo. Looks like it's from Empire. Feared Mercenaries and another Feared Mercenaries parallel. Bib Fortuna, Greedo. There's Migs Mayfield, a blue parallel Greedo, Cad Bane, Cartoon Aurora Singh, Mandalorian rescues Grogu from the lab, Mace Windu beheads Jango Fett, green parallel. It's kind of morbid. I'll allow it since this is the Bounty Hunter series. Migs Mayfield, Jabba the Hutt, Lando Calrissian, Ranzar Malk, L337, there's Sarlacc, Mercenaries and a red parallel Mercenaries. How you guys liking Bounty Hunter Weekend? Not too bad. I'm digging it. Lando Calrissian. Boba Fett. There's Bosk. There's Bosch. Blue parallel. And see, it's same but different. C-3PO. I wouldn't consider him a fearless bounty hunter, but C-3PO and R2-D2 are in it. Q90, Palemoto, Chewbacca, cartoon Chewbacca, young Han Solo, Kato Parasiti, Fennec Shand. I don't think I had that one. Nice. Feared Mercenaries and a Feared Mercenaries red parallel. L-less. Forlom. There's Droopy McCool. C-3PO blue parallel. Young Lando Calrissian. Boba Fett. Feared Mercenaries. And a red Feared Mercenaries card. Triple autograph. Mudhorn. Tobias Beckett. Grief Karga. And a purple Boba Fett, number to 75. Our second numbered card. There's Bosk. Han Solo. Feared Mercenaries. There's Django and Obi-Wan battling it out. Green parallel. And we got a Grief Karga. Jabba the Hutt. Boba Fett. Blue Kato Parasiti. Lando Calrissian. There's Quinn. Fearless Mercenaries. Feared Mercenaries. 2 base parallels. That's what I need. IG-88. R2-D2. Rio Durant. There's Emp's Nest blue parallel. And a different Emp's Nest. Okay, and there's Garandan. Feared Mercenaries and red Feared Mercenaries. Old school Boba Fett. There's Bosk. Another Emp's Nest. A purple Aurora Singh, number to 75. Purple Aurora Singh, number to 75. That's 3. Okay, Mithril C21 High Singer. Coming up on our auto or our patch here any second now. Q90. Palemoto. Cartoon Chewbacca. Jabba the Hutt blue parallel. Embo. Sarapass. Feared Mercenary cards. Base. Yeah. Drop it base. Ellis. Forlom. There's Rancor. And we got a numbered card coming up here. Or no, our autograph. Feared Mercenaries. Bib Fortuna. The Mandalorian. And our autograph is a low gray. What? We got a low gray autograph, numbered to 99. I will take it. That is the coolest autograph we've gotten. For sure. Low gray, numbered to 99, a numbered auto. Haven't seen any Ewoks except right now. Pretty cool. I'm digging it. We got a low gray autograph. That is awesome. Droopy McCool. Mudhorn. We got Tobias Beckett. Boba Fett blue parallel. And Mercenaries. Greedo. And Migs Mayfield. I wonder if we get a cool patch card. Grief Karga. Jabba the Hutt. Boba Fett. Dryden Voss. Jabba the Hutt again. Lando Calrissian. Feared Mercenaries, and another red parallel Feared Mercenaries. IG-88, R2-D2, Prey Vizsla, Jango Fett blue parallel, Boba Fett, Bosk, and Feared Mercenaries red parallel. And here is our patch card. Patch card is, we got a Feared Mercenaries green parallel. And our patch card is, there's Boba Fett. And we've got a Zero the Hutt, numbered to 199 for Zero the Hutt. He is not well liked among the Hutts. But a numbered patch card. Digging that numbered autograph though, that's better, low grade. And we got a Cad Bane, Aurora Scene. L337, Toro Calican, blue parallel, Lattice Razi, Salacious Crumb, and Feared Mercenaries. Sarlacc, there's like 2 Sarlacc cards or 3. Razi, there's a blue parallel Lando Calrissian, Boba Fett, Han Solo, Feared Mercenaries, green Feared Mercenaries. C21 High Singer, Embo, Sarapass, blue Dengar parallel, Grief Karga, Rio Durant, Feared Mercenaries, and there's an Aurora Singh red Feared Mercenaries. The Mandalorian, Bib Fortuna, Salacious Crumb, a different Salacious Crumb, a green Ranzar Malik, numbered to 150. It's our 4th numbered card, yeah. Got a Bantha, Toro Calican. And our last pack, let's see what we get. Something good, come on, hook us up. We got a Greedo, Migs Mayfield, Jabba the Hutt, blue Ketsu Onyo, Dengar, Ketsu Onyo regular, which is, they just changed that image and kept that the same. And Feared Mercenary cards, not too shabby. I'm digging this low grade number to 99 autograph, pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think of the Star Wars Bounty Hunters weekend. When you leave that comment, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. Thanks for watching, everybody, and Hobby Box Breaks. We'll be back with some more Hobby Box Breaking. Thanks, everyone.